Oh, shit.
Go fuck yourself!
They were talking.
They were making butter.
They were.
What the fuck are you doing? You do realise? You... The fuck?
Is he driving?
My brother, he's got a pumpy.
Nice, I say that.
My guy, he's got a frisbee. A trap on a phone. Moving that cornflakes.
The Scotty.
Many criteria, terms, conditions, fees and charges apply.
Need help around the place? Get the Kubota workhorse you need today from Grogan's Machinery. Kubota's compact tractor range, BX, B and L series tractors ranging from 80 to 57 horsepower will help you get those jobs done. Take advantage of the federal government instant asset write-off and great interest rate deals from Kubota Finance. Visit Grogan's Machinery today to see the range or go to grogansmachinery.com.au to find out more. T's and C's apply.
Where's she going?
Fucking hell, people cannot read.
Only 25
Yeah.
off, it's
Yeah.
not
Not
much.
that much, yeah.
No, in the Sushi is always expensive.
Yeah. So many people there. Always. Run, 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 run.
Red line, idiot! Oh. You didn't see the red arrow?
No.
Shit! Hey!
Hey, yeah! Very nice. Really?
Run over, motherfucker.
Fucking serious? Oh my fucking god.
Michelle Stevenson here. One lucky winner scored over $5 million in last Tuesday's Oz Lotto draw.
All three of you are pathetic. You don't care.
I care,
You're
Chef.
way behind and you haven't got a fucking clue.
Wait. Fucking dickhead.
You asshole.
Fuckwit! Fuckwit! Jesus Christ! The fuck did that happen?
Motherfucker.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
You're a yob or you're a wanker. Take your fucking choice. So who is your favorite genius? James Hurd or James Joyce? You ever seen a live performance? Join the wanker club. You thought I meant tabletop dancing? Well, you're a yabbo bub.
Fucking play player.
He's an asshole, sir.
Oh, you're fucking kidding me. Oh, hang on. Lone fucking scooter. Oh, that's going to dash cams.
You're only one Cleo Mag from anorexia. You're only 5 yards from a fuck wheel. You're only 5 yards from a fuck wheel.
South Wales, the quantum of people coming through the system, but the lack of outbreaks. In Victoria, they just sacked 2 people that were running one of the hotels because they wouldn't follow their quarantine rules. So they had to stand down a bloke just recently because he also was breaking rules. I don't know what you're doing in New South Wales, but it should be bottled and sold every other.
Самое лучшее.
А, хорошо сделал.
Из всех переделанных самое лучшее.
Да. Unbelievable. Funny looking bus. Oh, let's do a U-turn at the lights, even better. Just that the guy's signalling him and there wasn't a lot happening, you know. Oh, this is nice.
Ah, look out, signaling, still us.
Can you teach me how to do that? Yep, another special one. I love these specials. Yep, good on ya. Lovely. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Don't worry about the fucking red light. You're a fucking genius.
Where are you turning left from, mate? Which lane are you in? Fucking what, mate? Don't know how to fucking drive.
In 200.
It's a smoker.
Luke thought it over. It sounded tricky, but not ridiculously so. What happens after we're aboard? Standard Imperial procedure is to keep all the shuttle crews locked aboard their ships while the Chimera's crewers handle the unloading, Mara said. Or...
Really?
Get out of the way. I'll finish it. Skywalker looked up at her. We're not going to kill him, he said. Not like this. Would you...
One went straight through, the silver one, and that one, the blue Commodore. That's 3 and 4 that just go straight through without stopping. You asshole. And another one. Alright.
See, Master Sabaoth? He asked. By coercion and deceit? Abruptly, Sabaoth threw back his head and laughed. It was about the last reaction Mara would have expected from him, and the sheer surprise of it momentarily froze her muscles. And in that split second, the Jedi Master struck. It was only a small rock, as rocks went, but it came in out of nowhere to strike her gun hand with paralyzing force. The blaster went spinning off into the darkness as her hand flared with pain and then went numb. "Watch out!" she snapped to Skywalker, dropping down into a crouch and...
What the fuck's that for? That's well and truly ending up on Scotty's.